Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video. In today's video, it's going to be pretty exciting and pretty Christmassy because I'm going to be decorating my condo and turning it into a Christmas condo. This is the first time that I'm going to be doing something like this alone, so it's a little bittersweet, but at the same time, it's nice to be able to decorate for Christmas the way I want to decorate for Christmas. And it's been really cool to be able to pick out stuff and start to make new traditions with just me and Jiggy. And I think that that's something that I don't feel sad about. I feel kind of excited about that. And what I do to decorate the condo today is not going to be the final look. I want to go thrifting for a few more things, but it's a good start and I'm glad I'm getting back into it. I must admit, I'm not feeling the best this morning, feeling a little headachy, my energy's down, but I'm going to power through it. I really want to be able to get these decorations done the first week of December because Christmas just comes and goes so quick. And the more I'm able to enjoy Christmas surrounded by Christmassy things, the better for me, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Want to help Jiggy put up our first tree together? When picking out a tree, not only was it important to me that this tree be small enough to fit the space, but I also wanted it to be light enough so that I could handle it by myself. This is pretty good. I can lift it on my own. Nice. I also really wanted the tree to be pre-lit so that I didn't have to store lights separately. I had a few trees in my Amazon cart for a while, keeping an eye on the Black Friday deals, but this is the best deal that I saw, and that was a deal through Michael's. They had Christmas stuff at 60% off. Oh, was that supposed to fall off? Ah. All right, this looks simple enough. I think we should be able to get this assembled fairly quickly, which is good because I am just not feeling very energetic today. Feeling kind of like it's a struggle right now to do very much. And you'll have days like that. I haven't had a day like that in a long time. So I was due. Oh, okay. So I think the base expands like this. Nice. This looks like it's pretty sturdy. And then it's just a matter of putting these guys into the tree. Is there a letter system? Usually it's like A, B, C. Wait, are there instructions? There are instructions. Let's be sure to follow the instructions. Jiggy, let's see. Got different language here. Approximate setup time, 20 minutes. That's good. Oh, I was supposed to hear a click when I did that. Did I hear a click? I don't even know. Oh, there. It was a very soft click, but it was a click nonetheless. Close the stand, press the metal button, fold the legs together. Okay, there's a metal button here. I don't know if I have the strength right now to test that. I'm gonna assume that that works. Jiggy, you're being so helpful right now. Your presence is a very helpful presence. Thank you for supervising. So section 1 is probably this guy. It has the blanking. It has the cord that you can plug into a wall to power the lights. So that's probably the first part. Let's put it in. Okay, you remove this, put it in like so. I love how she's just in the middle of everything. Jiggy. Okay, section 1 complete. Let's do the next one. Section 2. Okay, this is the top because it has the pointy top. This is probably section 2 here. Right. Spot I can put this in. Okay, found it. And then we plug in 2 into each other. I hope all the electrical works. That would suck if this just did not work. I'm sure you can get a replacement. You guys ever kept something that didn't work just out of pure laziness? I know I have. Okay, why won't this come on? Nope, that's not. Oh my god. Okay, that's why. User error. I'm gonna blame user error, Jiggy. Okay. Last but not least, the top. Gotta put the top in. We're in. Now before I take the time to fluff this tree out, I want to make sure that the electrical actually works. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if it lights up. Because if it doesn't, back to Michael's this goes. All right, moment of truth. There was a little bit of a delay between the time of me plugging it in to it all lighting up, so I was definitely worried for a second there, but yay, it works. Let's get to fluffing. This style of tree is called a pencil tree, and I specifically wanted a tree like this because I don't have a lot of space in this condo, obviously, and the less space a tree takes up, the better. And these pencil style trees, you get a full Christmas tree without the width, you know, without the girth. And for the longest time, I thought I was going to have to get just a 5-foot one, but a 7-foot one became available. And that was really my ideal shape or height, was 7 feet. So I'm glad I found a tree that was that height. One thing I did not find in Michael's, and I would have gotten it if it was there, were ornaments that I vibed with the color and the style. There were so many, but they were just not it for me. Looking back, I wish I had brought some ornaments from Washington here. I didn't even think to pack any of that stuff, but I found a lot of that stuff at thrift stores. So that's why I'm looking forward to finding more of those kinds of things here in Canada. I was brainstorming with my friend on what to do about this column. It's a cool feature in the condo. I do like it. It is in the way a bunch, but there are so many things that you can actually do with this thing if you wanted to. Like you can use ratchet straps to hang your TV from it, which I won't do, but I've seen people do that. Or you can hang shelves from it. Again, using ratchet straps because this is concrete. You don't want to be, putting holes in it. You don't know what kind of electrical is being housed in a pillar like this. Another idea is art. You can just hang, or not hang, but like put some art up on there, or a cool wallpaper, or a cool poster. There's so many things you can do. But I'm currently thinking of things that would be me and fit the condo space nicely. But I also kind of want it to be useful. Like I want it to be something that adds to my experience living here, if that makes sense. We are just almost out of reach. Might have to get a step stool for the last bit here. My verdict is, I like it. I like this skinny Christmas tree. I think it fits the space nicely. Very cool. Gotta hug the color a little bit more. Yay! It's not the sturdiest of trees. Or maybe it's because I have one leg on the carpet and the rest not on the carpet. Let's see if I could just maybe have it not be on the carpet at all. No, I kind of like it in front of the carpet a bit. Yeah. So here she is in all of her fluffed glory. I actually had to go back a few times, and you really do want to take the time to fully fluff out your tree and make sure that any bald spots are covered up by the branches. It makes a huge difference when you put in that time. And I like it. I think it looks really good. I think it looks great. I like the lights that are in there already, which means I don't feel too bad about not having any ornaments on her yet. But I think this is a good start to my Christmas chapter in this condo. I also got this collar for the tree, and I love how rustic and baskety it looks. I think it's gonna look really good in this condo. I'm also getting hungry, so I'll probably fix myself up a lunch right after this is set up and done. I do like how this collar is collapsible and comes apart in pieces. Makes it awesome for storage. But look how cute that looks. I love it. Oh, there we go. We have a collared tree You can move it so that you don't have a seam in the front. There you go. I think it really pulls the look together for our very first condo Christmas tree as a divorced woman. It's pretty good though. I like it. Next I have this massive garland, and I think I'm gonna put it here because I put a garland in front of my TV last Christmas and I really liked the look of that. So we're gonna do that again this year. And there's a handy outlet here that I can use to plug this garland into so that we can have some more Christmas lights. All right, let's make sure that this actually works before we cut off any tags. All right, moment of truth. Let there be light. Oh, here we go. It works. Now to fluff this guy out too. But before I do that, let's cut that tag off. Okay, I love how this looks. I think it turned out really, really well. I obviously don't have a fireplace or a mantle this year, so I'm going to be hanging my stockings over here, I think. And that's one thing that I hope to find at the thrift stores are stocking hangers that could sit here and I could just like hang my stockings over here. I think it'll look really cheerful and cute. Aren't these adorable? Got these from Michael's. Again, it was like 60% off. I love how they're knit and I love how they're green too. I don't have the stocking hangers right now, but just hang them loosely. They don't have anything in them yet. Santa has not visited the condo yet, so they don't have anything inside of them. They're light enough to be hung up by just the boughs of this garland. Oh, bless you, Jiggy. One stocking for me and one stocking for Jiggy. Should I go, yeah, here. No, here. Wow, Jiggy, bless you. You are sneezing a storm up there. There you go. That'll be good for now, I think. So there you have it, the start of my Christmas decorating. But I think it's a good start so far. I'm really looking forward to adding more things. Obviously, I'm not gonna go crazy this Christmas, but it's nice to know that I'll be building my Christmas decor collection again slowly, and it'll be exactly to my taste. And even though the first holiday alone is, the idea of that is sad, I really do feel like I'm in a good place to move forward in this new chapter. And I truly do feel excited and happy that I'm able to continue nesting in my own space. I'm very excited to show you guys how this space develops over time, over multiple Christmases. I don't know if I'll still be here, but I'm just excited overall. I think I'm gonna try to visit the thrift store tomorrow. So that's gonna be the next video. And until that next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you then. Bye guys.